Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm back here at Copart, walking around, seeing what they got. They got some nice ones laying around, so let's see what they got. And if you're new to my channel, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell for notifications. I did see one. Nice Dodge Journey. This one doesn't look bad. Not sure what year it is. Maybe I was wrong. It's a little icky. Front end a little bit. I don't know if this might have been a... tells you all the stuff that's wrong with it. Not sure what year. Came out of Pennsylvania. Wow. That's the actual mileage. 6,277. That's nothing. Not bad at all. Walk around a little more to the other side. Tires are still in nice shape. I'm sure this truck's probably a 2019. Yeah, some little dent in the rear bumper. Those come out pretty easy. I don't know if you can get it open from here. Yeah. Oh, it's even got parts in it. All the parts that came off the truck. Let me shut that. Take a look at the inside if I can get the door open. Not hurting anything. Well, yeah. Yeah, this interior is really nice. Yeah, it's a brand new vehicle. You can smell it. Climate control up there. Yeah, this truck is really, really nice. Yeah, all your typical little cubby holes and things like that. Yeah, seats are in perfect shape. Yeah, you can see some cigarette ashes. Somebody smoked in it a little bit, but the new smell of it is still nice in there. That would vacuum out a little bit of air freshener. I'm sure it'd be fine. Yeah, not bad at all. See whatever else they got back here. Little Ford Escape. These are usually pretty cheap. 2009. 66,000 miles. Actually, that's low mileage. The average mileage is 12 to 15. So whoever owned it, well, tailgate's a little rusted. That's no big deal. Yeah, a little rust around the wheel well. Mismatched tires. Took a little bit of hit in the front end. No big deal. Not too bad. But these trucks are pretty cheap. You know, they'll probably bring okay money. But the mileage on it, it's really good. Steering wheel's a little, could use some cleaning or a wheel cover around it. Rubber molding for it's falling out. It's a little dirty in here, no big deal. I mean, for being a 10-year-old little truck, still actually in nice shape. Let's see what else they got. Another Dodge Durango here. Yeah, not touching that one. Here's a nice truck. This one's really nice. 18,000 miles. That's it. Hemi 5.7. Some damage on the hood. A couple little things down the side. Yeah, this one next to me, this was a rollover. It's not bad at all. Definitely not bad. Take a look at some, in the bed. It's actually pretty clean. I mean, even if you look down there. I wonder why it wound up here. I mean, there's nothing hitting the rear end. Tires are still nice. Take a look at the inside. Nice leather interior. Wow. Yeah, this has got to be new. Good look at the size of that thing. Like a small television in the dashboard. Looks like a giant tablet. This thing probably has everything in it. Huge panoramic type sunroof. Yeah, this truck is nice. You can still smell the leather. I don't know why it wound up here. I mean, it's a really nice truck. Definitely a nice truck. I don't know. I don't know what happened. Now, you guys remember that one from my other video. That one's still here. That one took one heck of a hit too. Yeah, these ones, I'm not even going to bother. Another Dodge Ram. Kind of more of the watered down version of what I was just looking at. 1500. Here's a 2014. Not a bad hit in the front end. Not bad at all. And took the side mirror off. And that right there looks like it hurt. Oof. That one definitely hit a tree. You can tell. Ouch. Yeah, there's the headlight for this one. Yeah, the big horn edition, I guess. Not familiar with the Dodge trucks. Take a look at the inside. Yeah, this is a work truck. Yeah, they like the air freshener. It smells really good in here. Yeah, I mean, maybe they weren't using it for a work truck because it is very clean in here. Very, very clean. Yeah, this is a really nice truck too. Not sure what motor that it, but look this one up on their website. Let's get past these icky trucks. Yeah, this one in a field or something. Yeah, that's a bad hit. Biohazard sticker. No, thank you. Something in my sneaker. Got a Mazda right here. Doesn't look old. Mazda 3. Yeah, front end head. Let's see what year it is. 2018. A year old, and it's already here. Yeah, that front support down there is all shifted over. It's a shame. It was nice. Oh, they got another camper here. They got a hybrid. Kodiak. Or, yeah, it's called the Scamper. Nah, I won't be able to get in there. I like these little campers. They're always nice. Infinity. These are pretty nice. The G5. Yeah, G35. Sure, it's a little older. They're still nice cars. Let's see what's wrong with it. Came here on August 30th, 2005. Yeah, I wonder why it's even here. plate in the window. I don't know the story on it. Leather interior. Yeah, it's nice. This one might be one to look up on their site. I'll probably go pretty cheap. Nice Jeep. These seem to hold their value when they're not rusted out. Hey, somebody went to Myrtle Beach. That's a nice place to visit. What year is that? 2006, 178,000 miles. Yeah, these always did rot out pretty quick. Yeah, it took a little bit of a smack in the front end. Yeah, it's a little crunched up. Well, maybe we can put it back together. There ain't much holding these Jeeps together anyways. As long as the frame isn't rotted out. Whoever had it believed in a lot of air fresheners. Yeah. It's got the speakers in the ceiling. Those are cool. Battery's still good in it. Yeah, there's the mileage. Battery's still good. Automatic. It's in neutral though. I don't know why. I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably wondering how's the frame on it. It's got some surface rust on it, but it actually looks really good from here. Yeah, frame's good. Another one. Another Hyundai. Some good sized trucks here. These are decent size. Mazda. I mean, you can look at them from side by side. I mean, they're relatively the same size. This one got hit in the rear quarter pretty good. You might be able to pull that out. Take a look at the side here. Yeah, no damage on there, no rust. From Pennsylvania, it's got 53,000 miles on it. Yeah. Let's take a look at the inside. Smells good. Yeah, interior is in really nice shape. No rips or burns. Yeah, there's the leftover parts from the rear end. I don't know if it's got navigation or anything, but you know, audio system. It's a nice truck. Sure, it'd go for, you know, for a decent penny. Let's see what they got over here for anything. A lot of these other ones I have seen. That big Kia. It's a big car. I had one of these for a rental once. And they scoot along pretty good. All the airbags are deployed in it. A lot of guys, it doesn't scare them. This might. Yeah, that hit right there. As long as it didn't pull the frame rails in, it'd be alright. I'm guessing by that, if it didn't pull themselves in, I mean, that's in pretty good. That's in a good foot. I don't think it hit a tree. It might have been another car or something. In the year, it's 2017. And there's that one little camper I looked at before. Yeah, this is nothing new. shuffled around a little bit. Yeah, there's that Ford that cracking his tough in half. Little Kia Soul. Remember when those came out? They were not cheap. I don't know what this came off of. I wonder if that came off of that white truck, the one that was hit. The one I showed before. It was pretty hammered. And shockingly, it didn't have any biohazard stickers on it. That was very surprising. Yeah, it probably came off of it. Little Jeep 4x4. Looked like the Patriot or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, the airbags are out of it. Pennsylvania. Yeah, it took a pretty good hit. Looks like it hit a pole. Yeah, it shifted everything. You can see by the gap in the door, the fender. Little dang, and yeah, these are really cheap trucks. Yeah, not bad. RAV4. Yeah, this one looks like it went on its side, judging by the scrape marks. Yeah, she's all ripped up. Some guys would attempt to put this back together. All the bags are out of it. Yeah, warm day, the bees are out. They're following me. Yeah, you guys seen these ones before. So yeah, it's gonna be a short one for today. I don't have too much time to spend here, so I show you some of the new ones. The inventory here hasn't really changed that much. So if you guys like anything you see, look up their website. You guys know how to find them. Register with them. Start bidding and buying. So in the meantime, hit that like, that subscribe, and that bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys soon.